Hey, what's up guys, it's back with another video. In this video I'm talking about RUG. RUG is a low supply deflationary token that is only having a total supply of 10,000 token, out of which already 1,000 tokens are burned through its deflationary. As you know that currently in the crypto space there is lots of hype going for low supply gem. Here is an example, Year.Finance, that is YFI coin pumped around like 3,000% after a Binance listing, and it is having a total supply of 30,000 tokens. Just imagine that this coin is having a total supply of 30,000 and it is trading at 33,000, which is way less in RUG. That is, they are only having a 9,170 tokens as a total supply, out of which already 2,000 tokens are staked in pyramid staking, which I will be showing you in bit details, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's talk about RUG.money and how it works. RUG is a deflationary ERC20 token that incentivizes staking and viral marketing, ensuring that risk takers are rewarded through dividends and access to pools liquidity. There is no pre-mine, no formal governance, and 100% liquidity is locked through smart contract. This is a decentralized project. There is no middle party involved. There was no pre-mine, no central or formal governance is available over here. The smart contract details are provided as well, so you can completely visit in full transparency. Now let's talk about tokenomics. Deflationary RUG is intended to rapidly decrease in supply by implementing a 5% token burn on each transaction. They will be burning 5% on each transaction. That means if you send someone the RUG token, it will be burning 5% of it, and also increasing that to 10% when someone stakes on pyramid. Unstaking from either pool will not cause token burn. Means if you unstake your token from pool, then it will be not burning, so you don't need to worry about regular burning on staking and unstaking. Now let's see how staking works. There is two types of stake, that is pyramid, stake RUG for dividends. Also the address is given over here, you can verify that through smart contract. Pyramid is designed to reward rich takers, but even the slugs can get some serious gains. There is 10% token burn when staking RUG, not your total stake. Means there will be a 10% burn in your stake transaction, not your total stake balance. 7% of this will be redistributed to the current staker in proportion to the amount they staked, and the remaining 3% will be burned. Means the 10% that they taking while you stake your coin, in that 7% will be redistributed to all the stakers as a dividend, and the 3% will be burned, making the token supply more down. Based on Amplify Beehive, pyramid will also drip RUG reward for around 19 days. Note, dividends related to token burn will be distributed forever. As you may be knowing about Amplify and Beehive, they are working on the same procedure. This pyramid staking will be giving you a reward for a period of 19 days and a lifetime reward distributed for token burn as well. And let's see how RUG pool work, that is stake RUG for Uniswap version 2 tokens. 100% of initial liquidity was locked inside a RUG pool. Staking RUG will allow you to slowly pull the RUG on your comrades. The estimated time to fully disperse reward is 21 days, that is 3 weeks. This is 100% liquidity locked inside or trading inside the RUG pool, out of which you will be getting a daily proportion back through it, which will be fully dispersed after 21 days. And here is the community treasury. They have allocated 500 RUG for the community. The remaining 500 RUG will be used in accordance to the wish of community. Anything goes, be it airdrop, contest, sending some over to Vitalik, as long as consensus is achieved. The only limit is our creativity. Means the team have allocated 500 token as a community treasury fund, which they can use at any time as per the community wishes. Means if you think something is cool, you can do cool with this 500 RUG, then you can join the Telegram group and share it with other people. If more people are convinced with your idea, the team will work according to it. As the creator of this coin is a really nice guy, and I have talked with him personally. If you have any doubt, just ask them over there. They will be helping you out as soon as possible. And also the team is also doing really good job in making this coin progress, and as soon as start marketing, the coin price will be increasing a lot more. As you know that currently it is trading around $93. started on 29th August at the price of $23. It has already gained around made some serious gain of $93. You invested at the price of $20 and you filled your bags with some nice rug token in it, and you can then sell out at $93, and this will be some nice gain that you have made just in a one day. And also the all-time high is $102, which is really phenomenal. Now let's talk about token distribution. Total supply of 10,000. As we know that there is only a total supply of 10,000 rug, out of which 3,500 were sold in pre-sale. You got 120 rug per Ethereum. If you were able to take part in pre-sale, then you would have made some nice gains. Let's do calculation. At the time of pre-sale, the price of Ethereum was $450. You got 120 tokens for $450, and now that price is trading at $90. Let's take an average of $90. Now let's divide it by a total investment of $450. It is already 24x from your pre-sale price, and it is just starting as per me, because for now it is trading at $93, which is really cheap. Just check this coin, you will find more details about this. It was trading at $730 at July 21, and now it is trading at all-time high of $33,000. Just imagine if this can happen to this, then why not this token as well. And $2,500 for Uniswap offering, where you will be getting 110 rug per Ethereum, and 2,750 for pyramid reward over 19 days. Means if you join pyramid staking, then you will be getting a reward for 19 days. 750 rug token for developer shell, which is locked till 15th of September 20, and 500 as a community treasury. This is what I like more about this, is all the funds are distributed and allocated accordingly, and you can find all the token address, rug pool, and check by your own. You can also check the DAO share locked until 9/15, that is September 15. All these details are given fully transparently in this, and also the admin keys are already burned, and 100% liquidity is already locked in rug pool, which you can easily access the smart contract through it. And also cross check, if you find any doubt, just message them over Telegram and they will sort your problem. If you are good in smart contracts, in checking smart contracts, then you can verify, cross check yourself. And this is the finishing note. I was inspired by tokens like Unibomb and ZZ Finance to create something like that to really represent the Uniswap community. Rug is a very community oriented project, required a joint effort to prevent the project from falling apart before rewards are fully dispersed. All of the smart contract code is publicly available on blockchain. Once Rug is deployed, I will have the same amount of authority as all of you. Means there is the same amount of authority to the creator of this, that is the owner is having the same feature that normal person can have. This will certainly be interested side to behold for weeks to come. Will there be more cooperation to prevent mutually assured destruction? Let's find out together. Join the Telegram group, and you can also personally message at the red Bentoni21, and he will be replying you as soon as possible. He has chosen to remain anonymous, as you know that that's a good thing, that everything over here in blockchain and all the smart contracts are shared with you. And now let's talk about staking, how you can stake your own coin. I have 15 rug token in my wallet, and to be honest, this was given to me by the owner itself for the marketing purpose, and I'm not selling it now because I know that this has a really great potential to grow in near future. You can choose between pyramid staking or rug pool. I will be going through this pyramid staking, where you will be earning daily dividends, and you can we can withdraw and claim anytime you want. Staking 15, that is my max capacity that I can stake. And now let's click on approve. You need to approve this. Just click on confirm. It will be taking some gas fees. Wait some time till the transaction gets confirmed. So after approving, just click on the stake button. It will be asking you for fees. Just click on confirm. So as you know, currently Ethereum is having a high gas fees, so you need to pay some high gas fees to get your transaction completed faster. Now my transaction is confirmed, and as you can see, this your total stake amount is 13.50 Rug token. As I told that they will be charging 10% of token burn, which out of which they will be using 7% for redistribution and 3% for burning Rug token supply. So now my total amount is 13.50. So this is how you can easily stake. Just install MetaMask and import your wallet that you bought Rug token through. Wait for the right time. As soon as it dips, then start buying it frequently so that you can grab some nice tokens, and then you can make some serious gain out of it. And also the same way the Rug pool works, you can claim or unstake the amount at any time you want. This is up to you. Just click on unstake and your token will be unstaked. That is how easily it works. So make sure to follow them all over Twitter as well as Telegram group, and there are lots of like-minded people you can talk about what is happening or any other thing you want to know more about it. Also you can visit all the smart contracts. The link will be provided in the description. Also do participate on their Twitter meme contest, which is currently happening, which will be ending after 4 days. So make sure to join that before it ends. Also suggest your coins that you are holding and you want me to cover in the comment section. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.